Good morning, everybody. Monday, August 21st. This is Bob Iaccino coming to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. A couple of things going on today. Copper specifically up over 1%. And copper is often referred to by investors as Dr. Copper, and it's kind of showing why, because there was really no specific supply and demand news, but optimism over the global economy often happens first in base metals. So that's the saying is that copper has a PhD in economics, hence the nickname Dr. Copper. All the base metals are up, nickel's up, gold is coming off a little bit because of less geopolitical volatility, but copper is really showing some strength. Another thing that showed some strength on Friday was crude oil. Crude oil had a huge late day rally on Friday. We've given back about half of that debt right now as I speak to you, with crude oil down about 1%. Now, the issue with crude oil is that investor sentiment has turned bullish, but the charts have not yet done that. If you back up to like a 20,000 foot view of the charts, you're still seeing lower highs and lower lows. If you look at a daily chart, it's a little bit different. Price action on the daily chart is above some key moving averages, but we're pulling back toward those moving averages right now. If you go to the rig counts, which came out on Friday, over the last 6 weeks, we're basically flat. We lost 7 and gained 7. We were up 2, down 1, up 2, down 1, up 3, down 5. That's 7 versus 7. A little bit bullish on Friday, but overall the picture is still bearish. Now the S&P is a little bit in focus. Right now as I speak to you, we're down about 0.25%, but we got a very light data week, but we got a very headline heavy White House. So headlines out of the White House are going to drive the S&P action early in the week until we get to the Jackson Hole speeches later in the week. So very light data week, but with the Fed symposium in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, very, very strong late week and beginning of the month of September based on what Draghi and Yellen may say. We'll talk about that more later in the week. This is Bob Iaccino coming to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.